Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the baseline. Back up the original Bgmi config now so you can revert. Once done, place the iPadView config file into a clear folder. Make sure the file name matches the game's expected config name. You'll need a file manager that can access the app folder or a virtual environment that hosts Bgmi. This is why local permissions matter. Follow these first steps exactly, because incorrect placement or missing backup will force a reinstall. Now, replace the target config file with the iPadView version and set file permissions to read/write so Bgmi can parse it. Next, launch the game using low graphics mode to ensure it reloads configuration. This avoids cached settings. Once in, adjust FOV, resolution, and HUD scale values inside the config to match a 16:9 or iPad-like aspect ratio. Make these small edits, save, and relaunch because iterative tweaks yield the cleanest result. Finish by verifying camera framing and UI alignment. If elements clip, adjust offsets by increments of 1 to 5 units and relaunch to confirm. Once satisfied, lock the file to prevent auto-updates from overwriting it. Alternatively, keep the backup for quick restore. If the game crashes or reverts, clear the app cache, restore the backup, and reapply with correct permissions. A key troubleshooting tip: always confirm file ownership and read/write flags. Misconfigured permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.